So when you're an IT geek, which I'm just going to make an assumption that you are, Katrina, you go through your university learning how to do programs, create things, you know, and I'm assuming you think in frameworks. And so therefore what you want, oh, I know how to build that. And I'm assuming you're like what I've built at the end. Whereas the human side says, no, but this is what I want it to look like and feel like and achieve, so that when I play with it, you know, whether it's a work planner or whatever it is, that it actually meets my personal needs as well as professional needs. Is that a bit what it's like?
Yes and no. So you mentioned the word framework. So if you work in IT, you are pretty much trained or certified in frameworks that we have. There's a few frameworks out there, and those frameworks are very process driven. And because IT needs governance, for example, cybersecurity, so we need processes and guide rails to protect the environment. And also a process might be that I'm sure you've called a service centre or a call centre, probably because something didn't work.
Many times.
many times. And there's a process behind that. So when the ticket's logged, we know how to triage it, we might need to give it to another group, and that's all process driven. And those frameworks do a really good job of that process. But what those frameworks do not do is think about the human experience.